G'day guys, great to be back with you, team at Unify Builders. Hope you're all having a marvelous, wonderful, it'd be Wednesday for a lot of you, turning Thursday. Sometimes it gets a bit overwhelming with being on the World Wide Web, global conditions, but I think most of us are in Thursday right now at about this time, or getting close to Thursday. It's Thursday evening here. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to share with you, because I know there is many of you reached out and would like to know how to put their elite funnel links together and put them into one nice clean database to manage easy and more effortlessly, rather than maybe it's always good, and I always encourage to either have an offline database, either bookmark them and then back up that bookmark, or how you do it. Make sure you back up whatever you do, or Word doc, have the links in there and back them up as a backup anyway. But I know a lot of you reached out about this platform that I'm using. I'm only using the free version, so I'll show you step by step over my shoulder how I use it and how easy it can be used, so you can start to use it as soon as you showed some interest in it. By the way, I looked at a number of different products in this market for this type of thing, and I found this one one of the best, most simplest to use. So this is what I'm using, and if you reached out and showed interest, I'm sure that you'll find this of value to you. So first of all, you can see in the back of my screen here, I'll just put myself up here, and you can see me. Excuse me for that. Sorry about that. Interruptions. Get a lot of missed calls here. Anyway, back to that. So first of all, you can put all your links here nice and effortlessly. I'll just show you my examples. This is only examples, and I'll put a link, if you have not already seen the link, to my sample page. But just remember, it's only how I'm using it. Of course, you can use it and set up your links how you want it to be used, and you use it how you want to use it. So first of all, you open the ad, and you'll come to this area here. Some of the options you cannot use, but that's all well and good. The free options, once you start using this product, are more than enough, I believe, anyway, for myself. Because you can pretty much do a lot of the free things up here, even though that can maybe look a little bit more attractive, but it's up to you what you decide. And so you can come in here, put all your social links if you wanted to, and your WhatsApp. I've done that, and I've added my WhatsApp, and you put your message there and your contact details there. Easy see, nice tab, easy to go backwards and forwards. Very, very easy to see. Nice blue contrasting onto the eyes. Hopefully it's contrasting to you. If not, if you don't like blue, I'm not sure if you can change the font color of the platform, but possibly. That's possible. Just reach out and let me know if blue is not your default choice of color, and maybe we can work through that process. Here you can also go over and put your social links, your Facebook if you want, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Google Plus. I would say don't worry about Google Plus. Already Google are announced they're phasing it out. If you haven't heard the news, in the last few days they announced that they're phasing out Google Plus. So to me personally, I think it's pretty much worthless. They're phasing it out over a certain period of time. You will also have Tumblr. Yes, I've got a platform on there, but not active. But, it might have potential. Snapchat, I'm not active there. I have platform on LinkedIn. I believe that has some value. Definitely Telegram, and most of you are probably on Telegram. Also Pinterest. I believe Pinterest has a lot of value to offer and potential. Flickr used to be there. I'm not sure about that anymore. GitHub, that's if you're into the tech department and developing and all that type of thing. And then you have Apple, Dribbble, Dropbox, Android, Yahoo, Trello, SoundCloud, and Reddit, and many more others. You can just go through them. Skype, Vimeo, 500px. You got a lot here, guys, and I'm sure that you're on some of these platforms. By the way, Quora is quite good. If you're a great person to answer questions, and if it's something you like to do, answer questions, and because if you can answer a lot of questions that people have over there, of course, in a particular niche, and in our case, crypto and wealth education, then it could really, you could possibly leverage that if that's something that you like to do. And you got all these other platforms. Some of them I'm worried about, some of them I'm not. So it's very powerful, and of course you just go ahead and add your link and add the text that you want, and then you go ahead and click add. So that's all you would do there. Go back, and there, this is the one where it gets exciting, guys, to put your unifier links from the team marketing system that you're getting as one of the elite in the group. And this would be very helpful. This is how I'm managing it, and I just put my link there, whatever link that is, and then I go ahead and put a title there, and you can go ahead and change the color font here. I've just kept it blue because I like blue, but of course you've got all the different colors in the rainbow. I just kept that to default, but you can also change and make transparent and change the font color there. Then you go ahead, add. Once you've done that, and it'll add it, as you can see down here. And that's pretty much it. You can also put a contact form if that's something you want to do. You can go ahead and do that. You can't do that, but look, You can put all your links there if you want to put your YouTube and everything. Of course, you can do it all in the social, and you can pretty much do everything there in the social that you want to do, rather than needing to pay for all of this sort of stuff here. You can change the font. Go ahead, make medium font, the color, the shape and size and everything, and go ahead and add. So it's pretty simple, very intuitive, and hopefully that would really help you. And hopefully, if I can go in here and edit, just show you that how, there you go. So there you can see I'm in edit now, so you can go ahead and edit at any time, so you don't have to delete. So just say, you get a new updated link or something like that, and you want to put it in the same name title and everything, and just change out that link. You can easily go in ahead and edit that as Mike and the team are developing out the marketing system. So it's all pretty much there. And at the same time over here, guys, you can see a preview of how it looks. You can have a look at how mine is sampled out there. And of course, you do not have to put in your YouTube, Twitter. You do it how you want to do it and use it how you want to use it. Obviously, this is just for a sample of how I'm using it. Put a profile picture there. Very helpful. Look, I'm not sure whether I'm going to be sharing this out to the public or not. I haven't decided on that, how I'm going to actually use that, but I'm more just setting it up to manage it for myself, and if I feel that I want to share that out to the public, then maybe I will, but I'm not sure, so that's why I just put my image and that there. Haven't decided on that at this time. I'm more using it for managing everything, and also as a helpful source. Probably I would share that out at this time. Personally, I would share it out to someone that's already on my list, and probably someone that's in the team, actually, rather than someone that's just a prospect, because there's a lot of links there, can cause a lot of overwhelm. That's what I'm thinking at this time for myself. But of course, it's entirely up to you. How do you use it? And hopefully that will help you out. And up here you can copy and paste your link, so you can see that up on the page. So if we go ahead and copy that and go over here, we can see how my page looks from my Contactin.bio link, and that's how it comes up, guys. So as I said, you can change the font, you can make that bigger, you can change the colors and design it how you want to. Pretty much do a lot on the free plan. It's pretty powerful on the free plan, is my thoughts, and that way I can manage everything. An example is someone says, I want your YouTube. Example to me, for me personally, YouTube. Sometimes people ask me, I want your YouTube. To go over to YouTube's a little bit painful for me. So just to come here and click here and to get that link and then give it straight to them, to me saves me a lot of time and managing just everything in general. So hopefully that is helpful. Let me know if you have any more questions. If this hasn't synced in, I can help you out and give you more guidance. Just let me know if something I have not seen or shared with you, just let me know, and I'm here to support you as part of the team here at the Elite Team system. So have a great day and keep on smiling and keep on enjoying and having fun as you build the amazing team here, Team Unifier. Bye for now, guys.